If you're trying to go viral on TikTok without doing these 3 key steps, you are quite literally throwing away hours of work. I'm gonna be revealing the exact 3-step system that took my TikToks from 200 views to over 2 million views in only 48 hours. But before I share these steps, grab a notebook, because this isn't some basic post consistently advice that you see everywhere. Here's what most creators get completely wrong about going viral on TikTok. While other creators are copying trends, the top 1% of creators are using a systematic approach which guarantees views. Step 1, packaging. Let me explain. Every time you post a video, in the first 3 seconds, the algorithm makes a critical decision as to whether your video dies out at 100 views or it soars to over 1 million. Most creators never really understand what exactly triggers this decision, but today I'm gonna show you how to hack it. Everyone tells you to use trending sounds and quick cuts, right? That advice is literally killing your reach. Let me show you why this matters so much. See these 2 videos? One of them got 100 views, and the other got 2.4 million. Here's what actually matters when it comes to packaging. First, hook structure. Forget saying, hey guys, today I'm gonna show you. Instead, hit them with, the reason that your TikToks are flopping is happening within the first 2 seconds. See what I just did there? That's a pattern interrupt. Top creators use these every 2 to 3 seconds. Quick zooms,
voice changes,
video overlay, and strategic pauses. Now, here's where most creators mess up with their visual. They randomly throw text on screen, but here's a specific formula. Number 1, hook the text at the top. Number 2, supporting text middle. Number 3, engagement trigger at the bottom. And number 4, pattern interrupts throughout. But here is the biggest secret about the TikTok algorithm. It's not just what you do, it's when you do it. Your first 3 seconds are critical. Look at these analytics. The algorithm tracks watch time, your engagement rate, how many viewers share your video, and when your viewers start to drop off. This perfect timing is very important for what I'm about to reveal later. Step 2, value exchange. Now that you understand perfect timing, let me show you how to craft the perfect value exchange. Let me show you what I mean with a simple example. Imagine you're making dog training content. Most creators will just show cute puppy videos or very basic tricks. That is what amateurs do. Here is how a high-level creator would go about this. An amateur dog training creator will post a very basic morning routine video with the dog that'll get maybe 500 views. But a top creator will take that content style and package it into something like the exact morning routine that fixed my dog's anxiety in only 7 days. This single shift in value presentation can take your views from under 1,000 to over 1 million in a pretty short amount of time. This works because you're solving specific problems. Every piece of content must solve a specific problem. And if you do this correctly, your viewers will not only watch your content, they will like, comment, follow, and share it as well. Look at these results. This video got over 50,000 shares simply because it solved a simple problem that dog owners face every day. But here is where it gets interesting. When you combine perfect packaging from step 1 with this value exchange principle, your video automatically becomes 100 times better. But to go viral, you're still gonna need step number 3. Look at these analytics. Every time we've used this secret strategy that I'm about to reveal, my views jumped from the hundreds to the millions. I have developed a testing strategy which guarantees viral hits. Here's the truth. Every viral video you see on your For You page, it's usually version 15 or even 20 of the same concept. Let me show you exactly how this works. Step 1. Find the winner. Find 3 to 5 videos in your niche that are blowing up right now. For this, you're gonna need to analyze videos with high engagement and views and simply save them to your favorites. Step 2, take one winning concept and create 3 different versions. Version 1, a direct recreation with your own style. Version 2, same information but with a different delivery. And version 3, a complex pattern interrupt version. For example, let me show you how I did this. I found a viral video about TikTok growth, and here is how I tested. Version 1 was standing and talking to the camera. Version 2, voiceover with text reveals. And version 3 was a POV style with a shocking opener. In the end, the third version is the one that ended up doing the best. And when you have a clear outlier like that, that is when you move on to step 3, the 5x multiplication. When one version starts performing better, even if it's just by 10,000 views, that is your signal. Don't move on to new content. Instead, create 5 more variations of that winning style within 24 hours, because TikTok is already pushing your content to the right audience. I tested this with a client in the supplement niche. The first video got around 5,000 views. We then found the winning format and made 5 variations. Video 4 ended up hitting 1.2 million views. Same content, just different packaging. Now you have my complete 3-step system: packaging, value exchange, and the viral blueprint analysis. But wait, before you go, I've got something else you're probably interested in. In my next video, I'm revealing the 3 algorithm hacks that took one of my accounts from 0 to over 100,000 followers in just 3 months. So make sure you turn on notifications to know when that video's dropped. Or if it's already been uploaded, just simply click right here and you can check it out.